Good day to all employers here in Hong Kong. I'm Lynette Archaga Benedicto, 39 years of age, married with 3 lovely daughters. I am graduate of 2-year course of computer technology. I have worked in Kuwait for 4 years. I took care of 2 kids aged 1 and 3 years old. I take and pick them up at school every day. I also take them to their extra activities after school. I played with them, read books with them, and sang with them. Sometimes I do cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes. I also work here in Hong Kong way back 2017 to 2019 and finished contract. I took care of 2 kids aged 2 and 5 years old. I do cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and playing games with the kids. Currently, I'm working now here in my current employer for over 6 years. They are 4 family members with 2 kids. I take and pick them up from school every day and bring them to their extra activities after school. I do cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and ironing. I played games with them, read books with them. Being a helper here in Hong Kong is not very easy, especially on how to handle the kids with their tantrums. But as experienced helper, nanny, I know how to handle with them if you will just let me with my own style. I can accept any kind of jobs. I am patient, hardworking, and fast learner, and I can work with minimal supervision. Thank you, dear employers here in Hong Kong. Please check my profile in the apps. God bless and have a good day. Thank you.